Hey everyone, welcome to new updates of Odoo 18.2. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the reconciliation of draft entries. We can manage the reconciliation for both vendor bills and customer invoices which are in draft. So let's dive into the accounting module. From here, I'm going to consider a customer invoice. Choosing on customers menu, here you can see we can choose invoices from this menu. Now click on new and here you can fill out the details. I would like to choose the customer as Deco Addict and you can also fill out the details of the product. Now in this case I'm going to consider the product which is stool and here you can find the total price as 575. Afterwards, I won't be confirming this invoice. Instead of that, I'll be moving on to the settings and here you can find the pay and choose that. And we are just going to make the payment. So in this case, let me create a payment. And once the payment is created, you can find the draft invoice which is in process. Now you also just need to consider the amount. So which is 575 and you also just need to consider the customer while creating the statement. So as you just create this, now let's move to the dashboard. And from the dashboard here, you can find the bank. And here we have the option to create the transaction. Either you can click on the three dots and choose the transaction or you can directly create the transaction from here. And let me choose the new button in order to create the transaction. And here you can set the partner, which is the Addict. And let's set the partner. Afterwards, we also just need to set the amount and we also just need to provide the memo. So I'm going to set it as draft invoice over here. So once this is done, you can click on add and close so that the statement will be added over here. Now here you can see the payments which are in posted state. As you just remove the filter, you would be able to find all the invoices which are in posted state as well as in draft state. So under the journal entry, you can see that this is the one that we have created in draft. And let me choose the statement against the bank. So here, as I just choose a statement against the payment, here you can see we can click on validate, and upon clicking on validate, you can see it will be moving on to the posted state. So which means we can conclude that even if a customer invoice or a bill is in its draft state, we can do the reconciliation, and you can see that currently we have just reconciled the entry. So that's all for today. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, or Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybroses. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.